Another day, another Northeast football clash. And today is Tripura taking on Nagaland in what promises to be a thrilling 90 minutes of pure football passion. Once again at the Umagantu Mini Stadium and another classic matchday vlog of the 2026 Santosh Trophy.
Alright guys, so this is the second match of the day. It is time for Tripura versus Nagaland and I'm on my way to the Umagantu Stadium. The match starts in approximately 10 minutes. Hope to be there on time for kickoff. But yeah, this one is pretty much a consolation game for us at this point. Hope to get 3 points. Hopefully we can score a goal at least. The aim should be to get 3 points and at least end this year's Santosh Trophy campaign with a victory. So yeah, Tripura have not played well throughout this tournament. They have been bad, they have been poor. They conceded 5 goals in the first match, 3 goals in the second match, 8 goals overall. So there's no way we are making through to the next round, even on goal difference or whatever. But yeah, hopefully we get to score. We get to see a few goals from Tripura. Hopefully we get to see a good game of football. And yeah, let's get to the stadium quickly. There's the stadium under the floodlights. This is the first time in this year's Santosh Trophy campaign that I'll be watching a match at night. I missed all of the night matches. I mean, basically a couple of Tripura's matches. And yeah, almost there. Let's hope we get there before kickoff. Probably not going to be possible, but yeah. Yup, already, the match has already started. We just had a good chance of scoring because I just saw all the people get up from their chair. Look at the crowd, man. Despite the fact that we are out of this tournament, look at the bikes, look at the number of cars. Oh, safe. Oh, nice. Come on. Was in a good position, but I mean, just hit the wall. Still 0-0. Tripura creating few good chances here and there. Hopefully we get a goal soon. Oh, come on! Oh! That was a good try, good try. They're really good try. We definitely are putting the pressure on Nagaland here, but we have to create. We have to take opportunity. We have to make use of these chances and score a goal from these, or else we'll end up conceding first. Another free kick. What a finish! Top tier free kick! Top tier free kick, what a goal! It is 1-0 to Tripura. What a finish that was, what a free kick! What a strike! Woo! Listen to this place. Look at the pressing here, this is insane pressing. Oh, let's go! Come on! Easy! Arre, come on! Come on! Oh! 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 Come on! Ah! Easy, easy! Oh! No idea how that was given as a foul, but Alright, so it is half time here and we're leading. Score is 1-0. We are playing well, we're creating good chances, the intensity is there. The pressing has been really good, and hopefully we get to see at least a couple of more goals and get this victory here. But yeah, update is it is half time. Tripura 1, Nagaland 0. Ooh, easy. Oh. It is 1-1. Good goal, can't lie. Good goal. It was a good build-up for the goal, and yeah, Nagaland scoring, equalizing. Oh! Easy, clear. Oh, nice. Easy. Oh! How did he miss that? Oh my goodness, that was literally an open goal and he missed it. Equally bad defending from Tripura. Oh! Yes. Easy. Oh! Easy. Oh! Clear. Pass. Come on. Finish. Third. What is he doing? Oh man, that was such a good chance. He could have easily won there.
Last match just now completed between Nagaland, Tripura, and the full line are Nagaland 1, Tripura 1. On behalf of Tripura Football Association, Sinha, Vice President of Tripura Football Association, please come over here and give the memento.
Alright, so with that we conclude the 25-26 Santosh Trophy group stage here in Agartala, Tripura. The Group D has come to an end. I'm not sure of the standings yet, but the full-time score here is Nagaland 1, Tripura 1. Good game of football. Got really heated there at the end. And yeah, it's always good to see football in this state, especially a tournament as big as Santosh Trophy. I said this the last time, as well. I'm saying this once again. It's always good to see big tournaments happen in your city, you know. Judging by the reactions of the Nagaland players, I think they have qualified for the next round. And I'm not sure yet, but looks like they might have just made it onto the next round. We'll have to figure it out later. Right, signing off for this season's Santosh Trophy. Let's go.